On Monday, the Ira Simmons Secondary School and the Bokar Secondary School, as well as the Entrepot Secondary School, were closed due to renovation works being undertaken. Tests were carried out by a technical team from the Ministry of Education to assess the magnitude of the situation. Just last Thursday, the Entrepot Secondary School held a parents-teachers meeting to discuss the situation. President of the St. Lucia Teachers Union, Julian Monrose, had expressed concern that up until that time, repair works had not been undertaken.
Absolutely nothing. Absolutely. So from since the first time the teachers were here and the ministry did some work, when they returned and they discovered that in fact the situation was worse than they thought, the ministry has done nothing.
Parents expressed concern about the health and safety of the students, and Mr. Monrose says the teachers are dissatisfied with the tardy response from the Ministry of Education.
And the ministry has basically ignored their concerns. Clearly, we have looked at the school, we have looked at the situation, and the situation is bad for the health of the children, for the health of the teachers. And our position is that the ministry must move quickly and resolve that. We have children coming to school here. In the long term, this matter is going to affect the children very, very seriously. So it's not just that the teachers are standing up for themselves, they are standing up for the children, because the teachers' working conditions are the children's learning conditions. So if health is at risk at the school, we expect the ministry to move quickly and resolve it.
Parents were also concerned about the ability of the teachers to cover the syllabus in time for CXC examinations. On Monday, we visited the Entrepot Secondary School and we observed that renovation works there had started. For the DBS News World, I'm Don Nicholas.